The real estate market is booming, and guess what? It's not slowing down anytime soon. So if you've been thinking about diving into this exciting world of real estate investing, then this video is for you. Today we're going to share with you the top 5 real estate investing strategies every beginner must know. Whether you're looking to build long-term wealth or just want to make some extra cash, these strategies will have you covered. We understand how overwhelming it can be when starting your real estate journey. That's why we've made sure to include everything you need to know, from finding the right property to making a successful investment. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1, the buy and hold strategy. The buy and hold strategy is one of the most popular and effective real estate investing strategies out there. This strategy involves purchasing a property and holding onto it for the long term, typically 5 years or more. The idea is simple. Buy a property at a fair price, manage it well, and collect rental income while the property appreciates in value. This strategy is great for beginners because it is relatively low risk and requires minimal effort once the property is up and running. The best part is that you can start small with a single-family home or a small multi-family property and work your way up over time. And as your portfolio grows, so will your wealth. Plus, buy and hold investing can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, which can be a great way to supplement your day job or retirement income. So if you're looking for a simple, effective, and low-risk real estate investing strategy, consider the buy and hold method. With a little patience and persistence, you could be on your way to building a solid investment portfolio in no time. Number 2, house hacking. Now let's talk about house hacking, a strategy that can help you get your foot in the door of real estate investing without breaking the bank. House hacking is when you buy a property and then rent out a portion of it to offset your mortgage costs. For example, if you buy a 2-family home, you can live in one unit while renting out the other to a tenant. Or if you buy a 4-family home, you can live in one unit and rent out the rest. The best part about house hacking is that you can use the rental income from your tenants to pay your mortgage, utilities, and other expenses. This means that you can essentially live in your home for free while building equity and generating income. To get started with house hacking, look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods with high rental demand. With a little creativity and elbow grease, you can turn house hacking into a profitable real estate investing strategy. Number 3, the wholesaling strategy. Next up is wholesaling, a real estate investing strategy that can potentially make you a lot of money in a short amount of time. Wholesaling involves finding a property that's being sold below market value and then assigning the purchase agreement to another investor for a fee. Here's how it works. You find a property that's being sold below market value and you put in an offer to buy it. If the seller accepts your offer, you assign the contract to another investor for a fee. The key to successful wholesaling is to have a strong network of potential buyers who are interested in purchasing properties at below market value. To get started with wholesaling, you need to do some research and due diligence to find properties that are being sold below market value. You can do this by driving around neighborhoods, looking for signs of distressed properties, or by working with real estate agents who specialize in off-market properties. Once you've found a property that looks promising, you'll need to put in an offer to buy it. If the seller accepts your offer, you'll need to assign the contract to another investor for a fee. The good thing about wholesaling is that you don't need to buy or rehab the property yourself, so you won't have any upfront costs. You'll also need to be able to close the deal quickly, since sellers often want to close as fast as possible. If you're looking for a fast-paced, high-reward real estate investing strategy, wholesaling might be the perfect option for you. 4. Rental property investing. Up next is rental property investing, a classic real estate investing strategy that can provide you with a steady stream of passive income for years to come. As a rental property investor, you'll purchase a property and then rent it out to a tenant, collecting rental payments each month that cover your mortgage, taxes, and other expenses. This strategy is a great option for beginners because it is relatively low risk and offers a lot of flexibility. You can choose to manage the property yourself or hire a property manager to handle everything for you. Additionally, you can diversify your investments by purchasing different types of properties, such as single-family homes, multifamily properties, or commercial real estate. However, it's important to note that rental property investing does require some upfront capital to purchase the property and make any necessary repairs or renovations. You'll also need to be prepared to deal with tenants, which can sometimes be challenging. Despite these challenges, rental property investing can be a very rewarding experience. In fact, it has outpaced the stock market returns for decades. So if you're looking for a reliable way to build long-term wealth, consider investing in rental properties. Number 5, fix and flip. Last but certainly not least, we have fix and flip, an exciting real estate investing strategy that can potentially make you a lot of money in a short amount of time. As a fix and flipper, you'll purchase a property in need of repair and then renovate it and sell it for a profit. This strategy is great for those who enjoy hands-on work and have a knack for design and renovation. The key to success in fix and flipping is to find a property that can be purchased below market value and then renovated to sell for a profit. This requires a keen eye for detail, knowledge of the local real estate market, and the ability to manage a renovation project from start to finish. But the potential rewards are huge. If done right, fix and flipping can be a very lucrative real estate investing strategy. So if you're a hands-on person with a creative flair, consider fix and flipping as your first real estate investing venture. In conclusion, these top 5 real estate investing strategies are just the tip of the iceberg. Each of these methods can lead to financial success if you have the right knowledge and mindset. Whether you prefer the stability of rental properties or the excitement of flipping houses, there is a real estate investing strategy out there for you. Remember, success in real estate investing takes time, patience, and persistence. Don't be afraid to start small and work your way up. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future for yourself. So which strategy will you choose? The buy and hold method, wholesaling, fix and flip, or rental property investing? Comment below and let us know which one you're excited to try out first. And if you're eager to dive deeper into the world of real estate investing, we encourage you to keep watching our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. Thank you for joining us today, and happy investing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Check out our other videos for more insightful information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.